Okay, yesterday we have seen Sita's family, right? And who are there, how is their relationship, okay, and how they are living. That we have seen. Today we will see Tara's families. Tara lives with her mother and Nana in Rajkot. Okay, where do Tara live? Tara lives with her mother and Nana in Rajkot. Her mother Meenakshi is not married. She has adopted Tara. Okay, so Meenakshi is not her real mom. She has not given birth to Tara, but instead Tara is adopted. Meenakshi goes to the office in the morning and returns in the evening. When Tara returns from school, her Nana takes care of her. Okay, who takes care of Tara? Her Nana. He is the one who feeds her, helps her to do homework, and also plays with her. Okay, once again, Tara lives in Rajkot with her mom and Nana. Now, Meenakshi is not married, so she is not the real mom of Tara. Okay, she is adopted by her. Meenakshi goes to office in the morning and returns in the evening. And when Tara returns from the school, her Nana will take care of her everything, and even he will play with her. Okay. During vacation, all three of them go far off places and enjoy themselves. At times, Tara's Masi, Masa and their children also come to their house. At such times, they play together for long hours and also chit chat. Okay. During vacation, all of them will go on vacation to faraway places and enjoy themselves. At that time, Tara's Masi, Masa and their children also will come to their house and they will enjoy together. Here the question answers are: who takes care of Tara? How? Do you remember who takes care? Yes, uh, Tara's Nana. Okay, how? So when she will come back from the school, he will feed her, he will help her to do homework, and he will even play with her, right? What are the things the family members do together? Okay, so during vacation, all three of them will go far off places to enjoy themselves, and they play together for long hours and also chit chat. Okay, here the answer. Now let's see Rehana and Habib's family. Rehana and Habib live in a city. Both are employed. Habib is a clerk in a government office and Rehana teaches in a school. Habib's papa is retired and lives with them. In the evening, the three of them sit together and watch television. Okay, here Rehana and Habib both are employed, and Habib is a clerk, whereas Rehana is a teacher. Okay, their papa is retired already and lives with them. In the evening, they all sit together to watch television, means TV. He enjoys the discussion as well. On holidays, the neighbors' children come to their house and have fun. Everybody enjoys together. They play games, go out, and at times go for plays and movies. Okay? Who are all three? All there. Who are all there in this family? So, Rehana, Habib, and his father. What do you like to watch on television? Why? Here you have to write your favorite television program and why you like it. The reason you have to write. How do the family members enjoy? So they all watch television together, even take actively part in a discussion as well, and sometimes they go out for the plays and movies also. That's it for today. Thank you.